Did you hear the Chief Peak? And today we're going to be doing an 18-minute upper body resistance band workout. So for this workout, we're going to go through 20 exercises in total with no repeats. Our working time is 30 seconds. Our break time is 15 seconds. And after every 4 exercises, we'll then take a 30-second extended break. If you like this workout, hit that like button, subscribe to the channel, and let's get to work. Oh, we got about 20 seconds until we get started with our warm-up. If you have a fitness tracking watch, be sure to start your workout now. Our first exercise we're going to be going into is going to be arm circles. So we're going to have our hands out to the side, small circles starting out, moving in to larger circles. Here we go. Arm circles, small circles, moving into larger circles. If you're wondering why my shirt's already soaked, it's because I already finished one workout and this is my second workout of the day. And I don't have another shirt. Typically I would change shirts, but I don't have a second one. We got chest openers next. So slide in the arms, opening up the chest, coming back when you're pulling across right here. Stretch out the back here. There we go. We got RDLs coming up. So dropping down, stretching out the hamstrings, and then we're gonna bend at the lower back, coming back up. So this is kind of a RDL to good morning. Oh, there we go. One more. There we go. We got trunk twist right here. So just rotating at the core, nice and easy. Start moving the hips, pivoting at the feet. We got arm swings next. It's forwards and backwards. Here we go. Don't forget to breathe. Stretching out the shoulders here. Oh yeah, feeling good. We got pull, rotate, press. So start here, pull up, keep the elbows high, external rotation, press up, come down, internal rotation the shoulders, and then down. Here we go. So as you're rotating the shoulders, try to keep the elbows high. Here we go. 20 seconds. We're going in to rows. So we're going to be sitting down on this first one. What we're going to do, wrap the bands completely around our foot here. We're going to be doing both arms at the same time. So back nice and straight, chest out, hands face towards the legs. From here, pulling back. There we go. Choke up on your bands as needed. You should have resistance the entire way through the movement. So if you're here and your bands are getting slack, what you can do is just kind of lean back a little bit like that, or you can choke up on your bands. Choking up is going to add a good amount of resistance as well. There we go. We got push-ups or chest press. If you're going to do push-ups, you're going to be here, coming down and up. Chest press, bands are going to go back behind the back through the armpits, and then pressing out, coming back. Pressing out, coming back. Here we go. As you come out, squeeze the chest, bring those hands together. Here we go. We got alternating reverse grip rows. So this one we are not going to sit down on. We're going to stand. You can put the bands under one or both feet. Palms are going to face out away from us. Then what we're going to do is we're going to pull up and back. Here we go. So palms face out away from us. Elbow nice and tucked to the body, pulling up and back. So from the side, you can see I'm pulling back here. I'm not here. I'm back here. Chest out, head up. If you drop the head, the back is going to bend. We don't want that. Breathe. One more. Here we go. All right, we got pike push-ups or incline chest press coming up. Pike push-up. You're gonna be push-up position, butt's gonna be in the air, dropping down, coming up. Incline chest press. This time, we're gonna be pushing up towards our head, coming back down. So pushing up, coming down. Pushing up, coming down. Here we go. Come on, push it out. One more. Here we go. 30-second break. We got bicep curls coming up. So for these, step on our bands with one or both feet. And our bands even, palms face out away from us. Coming up, back down. Got about 5 seconds left on the break. Here we go, coming up and down. Up and down. Here we go. Come on. If you need to alternate, you can. Here we go. One more. We got overhead tricep extension. So what I'm going to do for this is drop a band to the outside. From here, other band. I'm going to put my thumb through, bring it up and around. Step out away from it, right here. Make sure to keep that heel down on the foot that the band is under. There we go. Let's get one more. We're going in to alternating close curls here. So step on the bands again, one or both feet. If you're using both feet here, you can increase the resistance just a little bit by widening your feet and allowing more bands to go up under the feet. And then what we're gonna do is come up and across. Make mine a little tougher. I just feel like I'm much stronger on these than regular curls. So I like to make it a little tougher. Get that extra little pump going on. Come on. 10 seconds left. We got seated tricep kickbacks here. Going with a lighter band. So I was using a 30 and 40 pound band. Now I'm just dropping to a 30-pound band. So a little more than half there. Wrap the band fully around the foot, elbows by the side, coming back right here. You might need to kind of push your arms out to the side like I'm doing. Come on. Sitting nice and tall here. Back is straight, chest is out. There we go, 30-second break. We got high rows coming up. We're actually gonna be staying in the same position for the high rows. You might be able to use this same resistance right here. I'm gonna try it. You might need to drop just a little more. I can do this one. So for high rows, we're gonna be pulling back towards our shoulders, not down. So we're gonna keep the elbows nice and tall here. Here we go, a couple seconds. So pulling up, coming down. Palms are facing down. There we go. Come on. Feeling it in the rear delts, so the back of the shoulder, and then right around the shoulder blades. Oh yeah. Come on. More. There we go. All right, we're standing up. We got good mornings. Nice light resistance here. We don't want to overdo the lower back. So, stepping on our band. We're bending at the lower back here. So, coming down, you can choke up and then back up. Nice controlled movement here. Oh, this is one of the few times I'm going to say bend at the lower back. Oh, slight bend in my knees. Let's do one more here. Here we go. We got alternating reverse grip chest press. So I'll go with a little bit heavier band here. So what we're going to do with this one, bands go back around the back. This time palms face up, and then we're going to kind of push a little bit down here and across. So down and across. When you come across, squeeze the chest. Oh yeah. Let's go. Come on. More. There we go. All right, we got a low crossover coming up. See if I can use this. I got my 30 and 40 pound band. We're gonna get our feet nice and wide. Oh, it's gonna be tough, but it's all right. I'll live. So from here, we're bringing it across, squeezing the chest. Across, squeezing the chest. As you come across, squeeze the chest. You'll feel it. Focus on the chest here. Oh yeah. Come on. Here we go. We got hammer curls coming up. We got 30-second break here. First, grab some water. Cruising through this workout. Great job. So for the hammer curls, I like to turn my handle. So what I'll do is I'll kind of rotate the actual handle on the cloth on each side, so then I can just grab the outside or around the cloth there. Palms face towards each other, coming up, back down. There we go. Wrist never move. We got a neutral wrist position, no action in the wrist. If you need to, you can alternate left and right. Come on. There we go. We got drag curls coming up. So for drag curls, palms face out. What we're gonna do is drag the bands up our side. When we get up here, squeeze the biceps. Here we go. So coming up, squeeze, kicking the elbows straight back on this. Oh yeah. Come on. Let's go. There we go. All right, we got tricep push down left side. So what we're gonna do here is we're gonna be on all fours. Take our band in the left hand, have it. The piece we're gonna be using is right here. That should be coming across the palm. We're gonna plant that on the ground. And then from here, we're gonna be able to extend. Get that push down. There we go. Come on. Let's go. Here we go. Good stuff. We're going to rotate sides. Remember where you held the band at so you can have it even on both sides. Here we go, a couple seconds. Let's go. Come on. Push it out. Let's go. Whew. Here we go, 30 seconds. We got shoulder press coming up. So I'm gonna do a kneeling shoulder press. If you're shorter, you might be able to do one standing. I cannot. So what I'm gonna do is take my band, put it out, and then I'm gonna drop my knee down on to the center of it. From here, palms face out away from us. We're gonna press straight up. Here we go. Coming up and down. Up and down. Make sure that your elbows are slightly in front of the shoulders. We don't want our elbows pulled way back. Sometimes when it gets a little tougher, you kind of start to pull back like that. We don't want to do that. If you need to alternate, you can. Here we go. All right, we got reverse flies. So what we're gonna do is actually, I'm gonna take a lighter band. So I just had a 30, I'm gonna drop to a 20, wrap it fully around my foot here, slide in the elbows, and then we're coming back. So when you have that slide in the elbows, we're locking it in. My elbows aren't bending anymore here. Here we go. Come on. Push it. One more. We got Arnolds coming up. Back to that original weight. I'm gonna be on a knee again here. The difference here is that when we start, our palms are gonna be facing towards us. And then as we push up, we're gonna rotate the hands away from us. So right here towards, I'm up, away, down, towards. Up, away, down, towards. Oh, shoulders are burning. Here we go. If you need to alternate, that's totally fine. Don't stop, just try to keep going one way or another. Let's go. Come on. One more. All right, we got lateral raise coming up. I'm gonna drop back to that lighter band. You don't need anything heavy here. Here we go. So, slide in the elbows, coming out and down, out and down. Come on. Push it out. Thought Cash might come visit me. Nope, he's going back inside. Surprised he's up this early in the morning. Come on, one more, here we go. Oh yeah, here we go. Woo. Great workout today. That was a fun one. My shoulders are on fire. Hope you guys enjoyed that one. If you did, be sure, smash that like button, subscribe to the channel. I'll see you on the next one. See you guys.